welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to draw in Canva, and this is possible with this tool that Canva has called Draw on the side. So I am currently in a whiteboard right now, so I have infinite space, but this feature works in any other Canva file. So if you click on here, you will see the draw feature. If you can't see it, it might be hidden in the apps, so you can go in there and find it. But I have downloaded it and added it to the side, so it is here now. The first tool is the pen tool, and I am using it on my computer right now, so I'm drawing with my mouse, and this is what it looks like. You can adjust the thickness and the transparency of the pen, and this actually has a bit of like a pressure sensor, so you can see that it goes like lighter and like darker as it goes. And then this is the marker tool. Currently I've set it on some transparency, but if it's on 100%, it's like this, and it does a straight line. And then this is the highlighter tool, which acts like a normal highlighter, and there's some transparency to it, so you can adjust that for yourself. And this is the eraser tool, which is handy because it just erases as you touch the lines. And if you want to change the colors of these lines, you can just go into the settings here, or into this color box here, and then you can change the colors. So because I have red here already, it shows the document colors, so it's cool that it has that feature. And if I want to add another image in here, it will also pull all these colors into the draw tool, so you can match the aesthetics of your graphics. So they're all here now. And if you want to select any of these lines, you can just use this cursor, press on it, and then adjust as needed. Canva is a collaboration tool also, so it's great for when you need to make edits for other people on the team. And when you do that, the draw tool acts as a great annotation tool when you're doing edits or collaborating on work. So you can make all the notes that you need for changes and write down everything that you need, like these needs to be a different color. Currently I am using my mouse, so this is a bit harder to use, but this is also available in app form. So if you have a stylus or an Apple Pencil, this really helps. So another thing you can use the draw tool for is to digital plan. So a lot of people have spent a lot of money just buying templates and planners, but with this draw tool right on Canva, you can actually do your digital planning straight on the platform. You can choose a template right from the side. In their template section, there's tons of cool templates, and if you are on the pro version, you get a lot more available to you. But if you are interested in digital planning and don't want to fork out too much money for it, this is available in app form, and you can use it as any digital planner that anybody uses. So because it's an this draw tool makes it like an annotation tool. So you can just write your goals and everything that you need to do as a weekly planner. Another thing you can do with Canva Draw is obviously draw. So if you want to add a little personalization to your photos, you can just upload it and draw on here like so. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, please subscribe and like, and I will be back for more. See you in the next one.